Bantu bayasebenza mfethu. Abazi bayini abangayikhomba ukuthi since unyaka uqalile baphila komashonisa. When you go to the bank for finance bakutshela ngabo mashonisa aba registered. Ngizowenzani nge10,000 imdala ngaka kodwa? Come 1994. It's time for what? Democracy. Angithi? This flag gains what? Let me just make a rough sketch like this. A triangle like this. A black triangle is black. This triangle is black. Followed by what? Followed by gold la. Yes, there's no one doing well. Net is just that you see siphila le life ukuthi uChris wenzeni? Khohle iloko kwakho ukuthi kwawena no, you're not doing well actually masikhuluma amaqiniso. To prove ukuthi you are not doing well, are you aware ukuthi there are kids abangalazi ubisi who do not know milk? They only know this thing ebhale long life bayibhale ukuthi full cream. Akuna cream nencane lapha. Amanzi lento leyana. Thina sikhule ngobisi mfethu. Kana ubona ibhayisikile lingaphezulu. Iyasebenza ngepost office. Akaze bayithenga imoto epost office sebeze bahamba. Ipost yakini for ibhayisikile kada that's a penny post. Abakaze bathenge la lo ibhayisikile imoto la. Post office udeni nana.
Welcome to the Dobe Show. Of course, I go by the name Christmas. You already know I'm doing the best show. Even James knows. Otherwise, on sound and camera, this thing is usual. I got my man James, and on my right, I got my man Kanda. Do one story at the time and one testimony at the time. Yeah, he's late. My frequency is very low now. The frequency is low. I
have a frequency of pounds.
It's cutting.
Frequency shares shoot late lena.
I'm walking paper.
My man.
Ushanga ama orange angakanani bekathi frequency to mina singene
okay mayisikiyala sesonze kakhulu ndoda kuyala manje
asengidlile liwani
James besingeke nginayo he's telling manje yambona ngiyalunga eKansas City
akukhulunywa la
hayi izinto mazenze Kansas eKansas eKansas kumele ukuthula manje into zakho. Hey my brother, welcome to the show. I is late now. Hey please greet the viewers and let's get into it. These are your walking people.
My man. Woo! Stirring the pot, yeah. These are walking papers. Imondi lena yabona you know bison pot. Bison pot mawuphuma ePitretive. Yeah, la kwenziwa khona iphepha
eMondi.
Yeah, kune
phepha. eMondi ngayibona lapho phela ngithi vele ama site akhona mawuphuma amahlathabo.
No. I mean la kwenziwa khona iphepha.
Oh, we writings
Yeah, mawuphuma ePitretive udli la ku N2 la on your left this big. Yeah. Yilana ke sipheka wona amaphepha, the people's working papers.
Oh
yes. Yeah, hey, ngibingelele emakhaya, ngibingelele lapho nikhona khona bafethu, ngibuyile ngenkani. Yeah. Back like a bang and manje ngifikele kwangempela manje sidlali la. Yeah, launching Operation Exodus. Yeah. Angijiki namhlanje ngibuyele eMpumalanga. I'll be making a run. Raising the frequencies wabantu so that they are aware of what's going on. It's time to bring down this house of cards, this pyramid scheme they call the government. It's time to bring it down. People bahambe semakhaya yikho lento sihlaleni phansi ayikho lento ngoba bantu bayasebenza mfethu. Abazi bayini abangayikhomba ukuthi since unyaka uqalile baphila komashonisa. When you go to the bank for finance bakutshela ngabo mashonisa aba registered. Ngizowenzani nge10,000 imdala ngaka kodwa?
Incane.
Ithenga ini? Akuyona imali lento leyo. Mawufuna unginika imali because everything is expensive, which is something I used to fight with emsebenzini is it with the stewards and at some point even the micro lender which was part of the I can say he was working with the people laba basebenza la ngisebenza khona ne, telling people you can come get 30,000 ngimdala ngangizonzanga 30,000. Yini nje. And to make matters worse, once you go there, they give you the money. The banks don't want to touch you with even a 10-kilometer road. From these micro lending institutions, the banks don't want to touch you. Your credit score is low. Asasibone after 6 months. Huh? Who gave these people the licenses? Who gave them? So this thing is all conspiracy, mfethu. They keep on producing smaller pyramid schemes so that you don't look at the bigger one. So, Mina, it's not good I'm saying I'm trying to be smart or in, but what I'm saying is, yes, yeah, the movie is very interesting. Yo. Yambonukau, this is steering. The steering less is very good. Yeah, now we're getting to the climax of the movie. No, I'm old enough to just go to the TV. This thing is not really plastic, bab. That's what I'm just doing. So that people are not drawn to the nonsense.
Oh, so ama-bank enza kube khona ama-credit provider. So wona ama-bank ezobukeka.
As if you do not qualify. That's why they're also pushing commission left and right. So that
is abantu bethi moza namanye ama-ridings njengoba sa-advertise lapha enye bethi hayi thina sifuna umashonisa labo but ibhenki they think is the real one.
Lento lena nje into yokubambezela umuntu so that nawe you think ukhona into ozoyenza and what not, or maybe kumbe le commission izophuma ne-solution okuzokwenzeka. No, boom, 2030. Then they're gonna run in that same machine in Switzerland. They're gonna turn it on.
Imagine.
You don't know CERN, CERN. There's a 22-kilometer tube, 100 meters underneath Switzerland, which is creating a curtain of frequencies so that people do not get to see beyond. Now it is off. That's why it's like people are getting like they are waking up. Oh, which is the same thing the pyramids were in Egypt. Those, especially the King Pyramid was blasting 440 hertz frequency to the sky so that people do not rise above that. So that they do not wake up to see good. No, man. These are gods. That's why the same reason why they tuned our music now to 440 hertz. Which is the same reason why they gave us electricity hamba cords. Why? So that they can give us 50 hertz endlini. Meaning your house is now eligible for what? Is now conducive for what? For spirits. Why? Because electricity. Do you know the difficulties they had to face to create electricity? Just to make it 50 hertz. Because they created electricity. Electricity is a charge. Charge is consciousness. The same way, if there's something, or maybe let's say you are praying, and then the Holy Spirit pours down on you, you feel chills, isn't it? It's consciousness. That's what electricity is. So they had to go and mine copper. They had to find ways to make it 50 hertz so that it doesn't move, Guppy, in the atmosphere. Because if just like South Africa, since we have Eskom would have just blasted electricity over the air, and when it will have just turn your laptop, your computer, your TV, your light in your house without the cords, without plugging the socket. Why? Electricity is a charge, it's consciousness. So now, the reason why Abantu there's like they're waking up, it's because that device I'm talking about, this tube, there's a tube, it is 100 meters below. It is 22 kilometers in radius. Yes, it's turned off. It's undergoing a major revamp. And when they come back, it will be much stronger. So that's why people is like they are trying to catch up as to what's going on. So that's also why I'm also making this doing this Operation Exodus. That's why I'm going to PPE namhlanje. I will be like this for the rest of until whenever, I don't know. I'll be making rounds on the podcast, guys, because gubi until further notice ngizobe ngilalele emotweni yami, because this is it. If we this yabona le, this is it. All the the comrades and whoever on the ground who was what's the word, had some kind of credit. They've exhausted all of them. Ophakela ongizwe izolo ngimbona izolo athi yeah, let's face it, we cannot protest forever. We'll collapse the economy. Yeah. Whose economy? Asiqale lapho. And to prove what these people are watching us, they all the podcasts they watching them. That's why Rob has offered to make that run, runs Guma podcast like you make G, you Penuel, I forget who else. They were trying to make sure good they control the narrative of the podcast. Isn't it now? People they so good now the threat is gonna come from the podcast because no one cares about what SABC says. Radio is dead. In fact, it was dead 5 or 8 years ago. Radio is dead. So the because SABC we can gatekeep as to whom comes through, isn't it? Just like our newsroom. Newsroom is fake. You saw what how all of a sudden they were reaching out to Kumamaga Nolwazi. Yeah, it is a cult. Aboriki, church reality. They are all against it. They are trying to gatekeep at all costs. Let them be. Lengane ni fonele le. Unolazi, right? Wakangwane.
Yeah.
Yes, that kid. Ukuba bekafeba. Mfethu tina we come from Witbank mfethu. Yes. I come from Witbank. Yes, olento le. Ngihlale Witbank. There are kids abafika eTUT. We have TUT also that side. Abafika eTUT. Bazofunda and all the other colleges badayisa ngomzimba laphana azange kube nakhona umzalo oyi1 ocomplainayo okwenzeka ini but because she chose. So the system is it's exposing itself. Let the people wake up and see what's going on. The jig is up. Don't miss this one. They did it with Mandela. Unfortunately, he's dead. Not now. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. Uma bangasiphinda manje yithi iphukuphuku. Lokufuna sikwazi. So yeah, I'm back. Ngena nge-anger, I've anger issues. Yeah, bafethu. Last time mangilana bengithe ngikwatshise Uganda. Yeah, lokho ngifuna ukusho bafethu. Uthe Uganda Protea is just a plant. Protea is a national plant. Yeah, manje ngifuna ukuprova yena ukuthi Uganda, my brother. Yeah, yabona ukuthi what's going on. I'm going to explain the flag, also the coat of arms, ne? So that people get to understand exactly what's going on. They keep on hiding things, Gupi. Ebaleni. In the obvious. They had it in the obvious. So that and when you think, when you have a good heart, you think, no, that's the mistake. Sizoqala thingbo. Sizoqala nge-flag. Yeah, let's qala nge-flag la South Africa, ne? Flag la South Africa, it's just unfortunate I couldn't make color copies and I don't think I have it la. But flag la South Africa, it's simply a remake, if I can put it like that. Let me just make a rough sketch la. I'll make a rough sketch bafethu.
Ngasukumu ubhali bese uhlala.
It will work lona lokho ngicabanga I believe.
Awudwebi kahle mawuhleli phansi kanje.
Hayi angisumakhele Angelo hayi kahleni. Sisikhathi senango lesi. But you'll get the idea. This is the flag of the Dutch, of the Netherlands, ne? And flags always reflect and show us guti where are you coming from, ne? They have to resemble a flag and they also even coat of arms. They have to reflect and show guti uqhamukapi. The flags are not native in Africa. Flags come from your Europe, ne? So it was a way of showing ukuthi ungubani wena. The same reason why sinani tina we have ithakazelo. So now the Boere land in South Africa, ne? This is the Dutch flag. Abaqhamuka khona, ne? That's why it also had what? Lana, it had written something like V, kube it's O, kube C. The what? The flag of the Dutch Indies Company. Le yafika ngobani? Ubani konje lo 1652 ubani lo? Jan van Riebeeck. So the exploration and colonization of Africa was done through what? Companies. Companies. Not that the royals sent soldiers. No, they formed what? They created what? Companies. And the companies were funded by who? The Rothschilds, right? This is the flag of the Dutch. Ne? Then you put these smaller letters, it becomes the flag of what? The Dutch Indies Company. All right. Then now comes who? The British. You know the flag of Britain, and that jack. It's called the jack. It is what? It includes the Welsh flag, the Scottish flag, the English flag to make that union. They call the Union Jack. Ne? Yeah. So now, South Africa, they form what is called the Union of South Africa. After what? After the conquer of the Boer republics, ne? They form what is called Union of South Africa. It was orange at the top because even also the Dutch flag was orange at the top. It later changed to be what? To be red. Then also the flag of South Africa became what? Red. But now uyizwe kahle. So now, uma ngabe it's fast forward. It's 1910. 1910. If you remember the apartheid flag. We call it the apartheid flag. It had the what? The jack at the middle, ne? And also it what? The Transvaal flag, ne? The Transvaal flag is just like this flag. It's just that this side go no green, and then what? The orange Free State flag, ne? Come 1994, it's time for what?
To vote.
Democracy, This flag gains what? Let me just make a rough sketch like this. A triangle like this. Ne? A black triangle, it's black. This triangle is black. Followed by what? Followed by gold. Ne? Gold. I think I made it too thick, but followed by the gold line. And then came what? The green. Green lona is coming like this. Let's just say this is green. Green lo manje. All of a sudden, this is what? Is green. Yes, this part got elongated. So is this one, it got elongated, this blue part. But nevertheless, here's the what's the word? I said the template. The Dutch flag. That's why now we are still using what? Dutch Roman law. Your law, your law in South Africa is still what? Dutch. Because it was you coming into party with what? With the Dutch. Because they still own the land. It was not a freedom. It was democracy. 1994 was what? Was democratic. So now you had the right to what? To vote. But for you to vote, you must what? Register. Yes. So
wathuka wafuganda mama uthi le muntu akakayikhiphi number plate.
No manje lokho khona nama plate la ngaphandle ngamangalo ngithi ulindeni. Uyabona. So, na ke lento. This green, gold and black comes from where? The ANC flag. It comes from the ANC flag. Where did the ANC get it from? From the Zululand flag. Do you know the Zululand flag? I don't, but maybe I will come across it now. The Zululand flag. It had what? Ihawu, Nomkhonto, and what? Those lines. That's why even IFP also had what? The green, gold, and black. IFP in the background before they change it so that now the Land Rover is now big. Because why? You have to show us where are you coming from. That's why your flag is like that. So if the green, gold, and black is makes a Y coming into what? Into party with the Dutch. After 32 years, it's still like that. Kusho ukuthini lo? Because we are coming together. In other words, the design of the flag of South Africa means what? Interim. Ibambisa. Even now, we're still coming together. Namanje still are coming together. Should we not together, man? The design shows that. That's what the design is saying. So that's why I need our country. The flag proves it. Because you still have the what? The Dutch flag in the background. So in other words, 1994 was just a representation of ANC because Veleba negotiated the ANC. That's what they did. That's what your flag says. Your flag says that, proves that. Hey, you are cooking. I think it's cook. Yabon. Flag lelo. Flag. It was not you proving good where you coming from. This flag has no representation of the Botswana. Remember, for South Africa, in 94, to be a republic, the way it is, the shape, they had to destroy what? The Bantu stands. So, if you're destroying the Bantu stands, there's no representation of the Botswana. There's no representation of Transkei, Seskai, Ngwane, understand? The representation of Gazankulu, representation of Venda, representation of whatnot. Nothing. It was just as the signs of what? ANC. So this thing is plastic. Agna country nixila. Agna country. I saw my comment that so that's why that's not country. Yes, I'm not country vele siswam.
Ngoba nje sicela sile a company.
Oh, mfowethu, sisenkomponi. Yazi hostela. Hostela. And to prove what these people are watching us, ubonile now South Africa's economy is back on top. I don't know which was number 2 or number 3.
Number 2.
You number 1. It was number 2. Huh? South African economy is now number 1.
Where?
Or in Africa. It's back on top.
Yeah, so number 1.
It's about number 1. But that's the trap. Don't fall for it. Don't fall for it. That's the economy of what? Of the company. If you mag before you can show this thing, don't change. Because remember what I said what happened in 1910. They dropped what? The British South Africa Company. Because now they're in bed with what? With the Dutch republics. And the Dutch, the Boer republics also what? Took funding from the Rothschilds. That's what the Rothschilds do. Anytime there's gonna be war, they fund who? Both sides. So that law we need will make sure the other one pays. So they funded the Boer, they funded the British. So now the British get the Boer are defeated. Then there's what 1902, 1903. The British control what Transvaal and Oranje Vrystaat. It's under their control until they form the country. Nini 1910. It was called what? The Union of South Africa. They formed the union. That's why the flag labelling show the Transvaal, the Jack, and the Orange Free State flag comes into play. All right. Then now we are moving to 1961. They declare in South Africa what? A republic. Yes, it was a union. It was a country. But it was not a republic. Now it is a republic, 1961, meaning we are cutting ties or maybe direct control from who? From the monarchy. We are now what? Sizimele. Anything and everything will be controlled la. The government will what? Will issue orders based on what you call this thing. On the circumstances, we are no longer taking orders, direct orders from where, which means we are a dominion. But nevertheless, we are still what? A colony. They left the Commonwealth 1961. Siyavuma. They call themselves what? A republic. So now, come 1994. What happened in 1994? 1994 was what? Was democracy, ain't it? Yeah. So it means in South Africa, the republic is called what? The Democratic Republic of South Africa. Not South Africa. Mount South Africa, you are talking about the company. So the economy number one in Africa is the economy of the company, which is the same reason why whenever foreign companies want to come here, for instance, as BMW is the first, if I'm not mistaken, South Africa is the first, the South African BMW plant, Roslyn, is the first plant outside of Germany. Ne? It was during apartheid time. Ne? Mm-hmm. For them to set shop la, they must what? They must have infrastructure. Meaning, the government must create what? A conducive what? Environment for the company to function. So they go what? And take a loan on behalf of who? Of this company. The government takes a loan. Why? Because this one is going to be called what? BMW. So it's BMW South Africa. The profits will be what? Will be counted as what? As GDP of South Africa. But not of the Republic of South Africa. That's where people don't get it, because they were under euphoria so much. We are too happy. I'm excited. That's why economy is going to collapse. In fact, ayikho kwamanje economy la lokishini. Hamba kwamasipala, amatraga awana masondo, imishini ngikhuluma iqiniso. Ama-pothole mfowethu left and right. Mawufaka ama-low profile nje uyazazela nawe uphila kulaba who are welding max abashisela ama-magrim because lizihlezi crack. Why? Ayikho economy. The economy is of South Africa, not of the Republic of South Africa. Cyril Ramaphosa is the president of the Republic of South Africa. That's why even if you go and read, they will say the number one economy is what? South Africa, not the Democratic Republic of South Africa. No. So when you are happy, yeah, South Africa is the best, ayikho lento leyo. Sengiyakuma ku coat of arms now, but before you coat of arms, ngifuna ukusho this thing. It's time. Siyekele ini ukuqalisa ikhopha nani nensimbi and everything. And what? Siqalise le constitution. Yiyo kumele yescript yadi manje. Ngoba akusizi mfethu. Yazi ibhlungu lento ganda. Uma uthi uyahamba, uthi yabona njengale ndawo okungazathi kuphuzelwa kizo so. Mina ngale kimi khona ngani. Ngoba it's a building enkulu. La kune shop edayisa ukudla ngapha abanye bayaphuza ishisa nyama. Mfethu uthola umjida aphethe plastic bag. Ulinde umjida maka dropper le can uyaliphika khona manje same time. Akusimpilo lento le. Akusimpilo le. South Africa makes about 600,000 cars a year. 600,000 cars. But kunama time angakazi abe ngisho nane uno. Oh. Ukube this thing was true, every household would be at least having a pickup. Ubaba bekumele ngabe unani? Une pickup truck, une bhaki. Wonke umuzi kumele ngabe kune bhaki. Ngabe wonke umuzi kunani? Kunembuzi siyabona and stuff. Phela lento ukhombisa ukuthi yazi there's no one doing well. Net is just that you see siphila le life ukuthi uChris wenzeni? Khohle iloko kwakho. Ukuthi kwawena no you are not doing well actually masikhuluma amaqiniso. To prove that you are not doing well, are you aware that there are kids abangalazi ubisi who do not know milk? They only know this thing ebhale long life bayibhale ukuthi full cream. Akuna cream nencane laphana. Amanzi lento leyana. Thina sikhule ngobisi mfethu. Uthole luyelo lapha phezulu so into engaka icream baba. Akusulu so the economy is that bad. Ayikho economy. Ongezwe mchunu nje mabathi will collapse the economy. Yipi economy? Yiplay economy leyo. Ingane zisema-rest zidla ama-noodles baba. Sithi at least this is my final year. Hey lalela la nawe final year. Kunabantu who have 2 to 3 degrees but they are holding placards kuma intersections asking for umsebenzi.
Yeah, uqinisile, yeah.
This thing is plastic bafethu. Isikhathi manje abafundisi they wake up. The real ones, not lama 26 ase Roma. Nina hlalani phansi nina. Asifuna ukuzwa nix ngani. The real ones. If you understand with this and you know, ngithi waziyamazi umelusi. ziyalizwa iphimbo the time is up bafethu. It's the time sithatha lento soyiqalisa ayihambe le constitution escrapyard sihlukane nekhopha neinsimbi ayikho lento le ama police stations they are nothing but certifying offices mfethu phela look certify every day kodwa imisebenzi ayikho
cash in transit bayahamba
Awayidwa idosa kodwa nami sukuzala abantu basedosa. Yabona iliphoyisa engabe umuntu ozobamba imali.
mina futhi angibasoli
hayi ngibonile nale video le yena maphoyisa abalekayo uyibonile
Hamba la idosa. La idosa ngivili bonke.
amaphoyisa
Ugovernment kazange bomuqhasha abantu engathi abona ngathi bakhubazekile or laba yabo nje uma umkhulu ungakhona ukugijima kahle uqhasha amaphoyisa kanjalo yabona lapha edobsini vile ishayidra amaphoyisa wabona la maqhamuka umuntu nje wathusa ukugijima ukuthi ayisave wona not umphakathi wona
no video omunye amaphoyisa athe angena sho bathi kla kanti ziyakhala shayipharenza baphuma babaleka badla phansi bayi3 ne James Berenga
Yeah, ngathi be3.
bashaya uniform baphela
Full uniform.
badla phansi
but I feel like nanokuthi amaphoyisa ake kube ngamadoda manje
Ish.
mele ba train military style
Hey, cause the way
Doesn't
kwenza
matter.
ngakhona kuba
Yeah.
ngathi like umuntu like amaphoyisa wethu it's like it's people umuntu ofuna umsebenzi. Abantu aba-applyile bafaka isimbi.
yeah all right abantu
It's not people who want to be police
abafuna ukuba
or
ngamaphoyisa it's like abothisha amanesi
yabo.
sinenkinga abantu abafuna umsebenzi
but another thing you must also remember amaphoyisa ne they are the abbreviator is what lento ithini amaphoyisa yeah le
police service
no isho kahle iphelele
SAPS
there's your answer
South African
police service
Yeah.
not the Republic of South Africa police service South African police service yes that's why they don't want to hire policemen because
Hey.
akusenzeli imali thina as a company Tina, we want to make sure the gold from Zimbabwe is smuggled to the JSE. We are doing what we are doing because that was the purpose of what of the company. So man toitoya ukuthi amazayizaya wahambe. Niyabahlukumeza nje abantwana bebantu because the problem is South Africa. South Africa is the bully. South Africa is the chihuahua. South Africa is the Volkshound of what? Of the West. Angikubuze, yenzani iZimbabwe kuze sanction? They took the land. Angithi? They did not invade another country. They did not build a nuclear weapon. So, uma ngabe mina Ganda, ngizothi uGanda uzosibona ukuthi uzodlani. At the same time kodwa angimondli. Kusuka ngisho ukuthini? Shuthi ngiyahlonya musla khanda lami. So the reason why the West sanctioned Zimbabwe is simply because Zimbabwe went against what the agreement they had with Joshua Nkomo and Robert Mugabe to say, you know what, we will take care of you guys and whatnot. Because before Mandela came, Mugabe was their darling, was the media darling. Njengoba Mandela was their darling until the people took the land. It was not Mugabe who authorized the people to take the land. The people took their land. But now if England is what you are sanctioning you when Zimbabwe, America is what you are sanctioning you when Zimbabwe. It means nothing because Bashar has no job. But because why? Of their company, South Africa. That's why Zimbabwe is like this. Because they are the ones implementing what? The sanctions, enforcing the sanctions on Zimbabwe.
What was stopping them from?
From
Building their country without abelungu. Everything. Like
man, and that's what I'm actually explaining now. Hear me 2 times more than what I'm saying. Their problem is South Africa. They are the one what enforcing. But I remember Zimbabwe is landlocked. Nothing goes to Zimbabwe without a Transnet. Very few goods come from what? From Mozambique. And to make matters worse, they also what? Same South Africa is the one who killed what? Moses Samora Machel. To control this thing because Moses Samora Machel is the what? Liberated his country. He achieved freedom because they fought against the Portuguese until the Portuguese left. So South Africa had to make sure the surrounding countries what see hey asdlali la. The problem is South Africa. South Africa is the bully. Your country is the bully. So whenever the intellects from outside tell you, don't take it personal, they are saying the truth. South Africa is the problem. They are the ones making sure.
Is a problem how when you
Awungizwa nayo kanti.
No, ngizwile, but now I want to understand this.
No, it's like I hear you saying South Africa is a bully. Based on what?
Based on the fact that they destabilize any country around what SADC, so that they are the main power through the banks, through logistics, even setting up coups. They kill anyone. They decide who's gonna be president in the region of the other countries. They decide. So if these people South Africa would leave these people alone, South Africa, the company would leave this, will stop interfering in the politics and whatnot of the other countries. These people will not come here. Zimbabwe is very beautiful, man.
My man.
Mozambique is very beautiful.
Hey, my man. Like. Ufuna moli ukhuluma uyicacise because ibuyidide.
Okay.
Ukuthi angithi manje moli buqala. This topic bohlukanisa uthi there's South Africa the company, then there's Democratic Republic of South Africa.
Yes. Obviously, I mean South Africa the company.
Yes. Says uthi South Africa. The company. Asithi singabeka kanjani for your understanding. Hilabelu.
Yes. You can put it like that. Yes.
The company.
Yes. The company.
Republic hit. Because I feel like I think Chris maybe got it well. South Africa ushukthi.
Like ukhuluma as South Africa is a company.
Yeah, I mean the South Africa company, not the Democratic.
Okay.
Leyo ayina nix. Leyo ifana
no bengilahleke lapho.
Leyo iyazi ifana nani? Ifana nengane. Mayizwe esikolweni yenzani? Uyayikerisa. Leyo they decide ukuthi sizonika imali in this month. Ayikho nje indaba yayo. Ayina nix.
Enye into engishawo general thing nje.
Yeah.
eNigeria. Upresident wakhona akahlali khona.
France.
Izokhula kanjani ke indawo?
Noma Nigeria nawana. Goes back to the question ngifuna ukubuza ngaZimbabwe. It's okay.
Yeah.
You've taken the land. Like asithi siyaxosha le South Africa ukhuluma ngayo la. The company asithi siyenza sayixosha we take back the land and bese we get ama sanctions from Europe whatever western by sanction sesiselisoda la senzani
in what sense
can't we rebuild as a country build economy to see like
yabona ko Zimbabwe kumele
bahlulwe yini eZimbabwe
ukuthi mhlawumbe bengazenzela something adayisa
amen lima
president asangahlali khona baleke
yima guys
uyabona nje nawe uyatshela
you are not getting
uyafonela kuthiwa bese kushintsha athi hawu avali ifoni yakhe na
why France lena accepting him as a president in this country if they care about what's going on. It's simply because they wanna create the same thing which South Africa did in the 60s with declaring allowing Zambia to declare independence. So that it creates a space of the political parties thinking Zambia is an independent country, we can go and be exiled there. Yeah, they keep on leaving notes for you so that you think you are thinking. No, you are not thinking. They design it like that. So the reason why Zimbabwe is like this is because South Africa is the one smuggling the resources. They keep on creating instability, and they make sure they protect Mnangagwa. Mnangagwa is part of the fraternity. Even if you can go and check the ANC national conferences and decode speech sakhe, he's always subliminally sliding it going, we are in this together. Why? So that it was by design so that Zimbabwe does not.
Yeah?
How? My man. The only president I can think of is out in Africa.
Burkina Faso.
Aye. Plant kwa yona leyo. Lo Traore. Ibrahim Traore is a plant, Baba. The reason why they create. Ibrahim Traore is a plant, my brother. The reason why they allowed Burkina Faso, Mali, and whatnot. Which? Niger. to overthrow the government was to create the narrative to think so that you think this is back to to the bushes again. The only way we're gonna solve these frustrations is picking up arms. They are plans, because you can't tell me all of a sudden Britain and America, they don't longer have missiles. Just one missile. Hey, one. They don't even need to be around. America always, almost every hour, there's a submarine anywhere else in the world, a nuclear powered submarine, which can last 6 months underwater. They can just send a missile upon. He is a plant, and to prove what is a plant, what American media was parading him all over, every now and then. Yeah, there's a coup in Burkina Faso. Hey, bara. And now even also our Western media is always publishing his achievements. Why would you publish achievements of somebody who overthrew your government? No, he is a plant. So that people think the only way we're gonna pick up arms. So that you are back to square one like in the 60s, 70s, 80s. Because the truth is, this thing is supposed to fall down by its own. The time is up. Don't even think about China. China will come and help you. When was the BRICS conference? Was it last year? When?
No.
Still today, this bahluleka ukulontsha le currency yabo. Namhlanje still bahluleka.
Yeah, so I khuluma into deep. Le BRICS le udodo scam omuntu.
It's a scam.
Mina ngafunda ngazo high school BRICS.
Yeah, 2010.
Why like bebangayisizi man Iran?
No, they're saying now they are providing intelligence, isn't it? They keep on saying that. But now here's the question: who builds China?
Wenjawula ukhuluma imali lento yazi deep play BRICS. Yenza ngempela iBRICS wendoda.
Ayikho. Yini ilalabai. Yabo mama ilalabai. Baladukisa umkhondo, so that there's like they're always beefing. Remember last time I said Joe Biden, there was a time like Joe Biden sent the F-35 jet to shoot up a Chinese spy balloon. A spy balloon was actually, it's a lie. It was an American satellite. Because satellites are hovering with balloons, because there's a firmament. They are not in outer space. And America has the most satellites. And America is the world's biggest helium consumer. For balloon to fall, it must be filled up with helium. Yes, it's a lie. So China had to take up the slack to protect America. Because America built China. You must remember they criticized Chairman Mao Zedong. He was always a dictator and whatnot. Then came I forget who's this one who came after Chairman Mao. And opened in economy as a China for foreign interest to invest. Before Xi Jinping, there's this one who came after Chairman Mao. That's how, because it was cheap labor. Then they had to destroy their industries. The same way UK destroyed industry, automotive, everything you can think of. It's a scam. So I'm you're always complaining about America. Umbonanga umashatile. One konje lo Paul bathi bani mashatile ne akhuluma no Putin laphana ba discuss indaba ye vodka ukuthi we're gonna get vodka in South Africa. Ngithi mina nizwe sishoda ngotshwala lento iyahlanya le umsangano lento. I'm telling you my brother.
So lento yazi phela ukuthi sengiyabona isikhathi siyahamba kunini ngithembi.
If China was the superpower that it was, ngabe senze something.
Okay, if such a mina lento ebuBurkina Faso and if some America is what is stopping us from creating those things?
Things like what?
Missiles.
They destroyed your Tinel Mos.
I know they destroyed it. Like saying you should see.
What should I post office is to create missile?
Manje jabule yena ezikhampani noma
the Republic.
useless
In fact, you know, we grew up in a post bank in a post office. They go run the post office.
awunayo kodwa abantu bakhona bebabanga amabhayisikili i-post office ayikaze nje ibe right anoma kuthiwa yava i-post office
They what?
abantu abangaze bebe nemonto mina ngaqala ukubona ibhayisikili elingaphezulu nge-post office akaze bayithenga imoto e-post office sebeze bahamba iposi yadilifwa kwebhayisikili kade nazo naphela iposi abangase bathenge imoto la
ama-post office udene lezi zamoshwa zabhidlizwa deliberately
By who?
South Africa.
Where was the comrades? They were all eating, Baba. They were setaflane.
Ngisho lokho
So-
ukuthi we need like a real patriotic comrades, abantu abazosebenza like ngendlela efana abacabangela abantu ukuthi mamelana siyayiqeda nje South Africa. Nayindlela esohamba ngayo.
They won't. They won't, my man. Because they are all captured. Bonke they belong kule secret society. The Bruder Bond ayidlali, Baba. The Bruder Bond. They are Baba Elon Musk or Elon Musk. They are the ones selecting who's going to parliament.
Nabo Ropeso.
Yeah. They
That's
are,
been leading to our national elections. I listened to Ropeso a lot kuma podcast and you could tell ukuthi vele na kanjani there's gonna be a GNU. Because bekayisho without fair time man. ANC is a dropper. This is what's good. And iyenzeke exactly bekayisho ngakho.
Jeleke uyini ke oyoyivotela because yazi lento abayenzayo. They create the illusion of choice. So that you do not question the fact ukuthi it's always DA and ANC. Abo Africa mayihambe laba babo Floyd laba abo ATM yizo ATM. Yini into yenziwa ina one seat eParliament. Yenzani?
Khona neDaga party.
Yobo Daga party yini konje lenye ngathi abo Angela wathi zonke lezi zinto lezi yini ezeke zayenza savuka zazo. They create this illusion of choice ukuthi black people are not capable and
kahle ndoda ungathi EFF nayo ingakazi yenzeli ukuthi ukuthi
angeke yenze lutho. They are a plant. Even EFF is a plant.
come to think of it mfethu EFF usikhuluma ngayo every day akazenze nje
Angeke yenze lutho. It's lip
no yeah
service.
disappoint okwenza uthola ukuthi bakhanda umgwaqo EFF ikhanda umgwaqo unakhona futhi 2 kilometers hayi omude yabona
Disappointed manje MK. Ekuyabheda MK manje.
And MK vele MK came from a dangerous stance for the system. That's why they had to take ubani Africa mayibuye lo. All of a sudden he's leaving EFF ne to azoya ngale. So that makazohamba ngale there's going to be they did not plan. They did not plan MK. Yeah, MK nayo is done. Ayikho nje indaba yayo.
Ukuthi kwakuyiplant nje amaphutshwa wodwa amantombazana akhona amahle pakithi kuhle nje
Which is also the chaos.
and abantu nje ba right amajita grand yabona laba baneymonto amaphutshwa yabona isiphutshwa nje yakhona abantu cha yabona umuzo ngathi uvele ubone ngaphathi ekuphilwa kamnandi ke lapha kodwa ngaphakathi masungene la uthola khona but ngeke uyabona nje wonke amajensi akhona grand nje yabona
Under the system
ezosiza manje
politics
we need to create our own
on what?
Buy a piece of land.
It's actually even too late. It's even too late for that one. What needs to happen? This thing is collapsing, Ghana. Trust me. If you are somebody who's been studying the matrix, we will understand good. No, we are at that time. They are scrambling and scraping. That's why Abo season pofu welshi. What told us about interview Abo Hunter Biden or Ubani Abo Black Coffee. They are doing runs all of a sudden. But we got shalla ngala ipuchwa ngani. Segamba ma podcast in manje. Why they Abo Black Coffee, Abo Nesty C. They are why. Umbonile rings and pairings. Rings and pairings uscheme I think I saw it today. Bekunale ntwana le ubani umfana lo.
Uzero
Uzero ranking. yini ephilayo wayikhuluma laphana other than telling people to start their own businesses and then they are busting frequency at the back in the background of music as some kind of motivation to prove what he's captured because we know what he was captured. Uzero was talking truth, Baba, unapologetically. All of a sudden now, yeah, you are delaying your life. Start that small business you're thinking of.
Oh, I'm confused. I haven't watched that episode, but I thought you were going to talk about him going when he looking at what you Ferrari.
Oh.
No, I didn't see that one.
On the point.
No, oveti. Lo crema, cream.
No, that guy, Kwacha. I saw on socials, there was I think. This guy was in Dana Confine. And he went on reading, but I
Usibanyoni.
Usibanyoni.
Ubuyile ejele loyo.
Awaphu.
But I think when a video was skin lapho and something.
Okay, what purpose does it serve? Goes nje into ukuba busy bazivezela amabhuku amancane lana. Ayikho indaba yabo scheme nayo la he's captured loyo man. Hey. Hayi. All right, now we're going to do in coat of arms, guys. Coat of arms. Ne? Coat of arms. I want you to know the history. Coat of arms. Where does it come from? Ne? The main component of a coat of arms is what? The shield. The shield. How do you say? More like something like this. Ne? So yeah, ngamabomb. Yeah, so. Ishield is Vigo. How? Ne? This thing stems from Europe. This thing was what? A way of representation. We must know who's who. So, in other words, families had what? Shields. And a certain pattern. And a certain pattern on the shield will determine Guti. I will see from afar Guti. Oh, Uganda is coming from that clan. Mm-hmm. That's the shape, even the pattern, the drawings. For instance, go, Chris, nihlobene noMadonsela. Ne? Yini isithinde sithazele nisisherayo? Ukunene. Mhm. Chris because bashare ukunene, ne? Njengathi thina mangikhumbula kahle even noXaba sishare ubani uMthiyane nobani noZondo. Sishare uMthiyane. Okusho ukuthi noma ngabe kuthiwa wena usuphume ini eyakhe indlu umndeni wakho your own, yabona? There must be some kind of a sign eshoyo ukuthi no baqhamuka phi kuMthiyane okubani kukunene. Yayizwa lento le. So that's the beginning. Then you can have your own what, like maybe what can I say, accolades? Yeah, your achievements. Maybe you can make a pattern la to show you are what? You are Nene Junior. Ngithi ubaba usaphila. Yayizwa lento le. To make that until ubaba masekahambile, you can remove this. You are now ubani is the senior. Yayizwa lento le. Ngingakho empini masilwa makuliwa. I will touch how is Vigo so munye because bizokwenza senzeni singaboni ukuthi ubani. So it was easy to see a friend, it was easy to see what an enemy, ne? Yes, you can also have maybe some kind of maybe if ngabe kungukuthi niyazingela so ngaba nayo ke ini mhlambe ke lana mhlambe inyamazane or yini representayo ukuthi thina singasilaba abangabazingeli and stuff no and what not. Uyayibona lento le ihow was dead is lisho leyo nto leyo. That's why nje manje if ufuna ukwenza ihow you must go and get what, a patent. You cannot just create ihow in Europe because you will clash with another family. Yayizwa lento le. That's why also one, its shape, its pattern, and whatnot. Then also what colors, ne? Abe bakusebenzisa to show ukuthi you come from what, from which clan, and then the shields will come with what, also what, the colors of what, of your flag lani le family. Ukuthi laba baqhamuka kulomndeni lo. Obani these international bankers Ganda? These international bankers always finding wars every now and then. The raw Rothschild, yes. Lisho ukuthini le nto igama lelo?
Yebana uyezwa uyafuna umshita phela. Uyakulento ehawu man. Lele family.
They are called the Rothschild. Rothschild is what? Translated to English is
Shield,
red
inangza.
shield. That's why nama bank wabo England, Italy, France, Germany, they were always had what, a red flag pepezelayo, because they are what, the Rothschilds. Yayizona into le. So now asiqale ke manje sithi mhlambe unganaka ukuthi ngizosho ngingabusanaka kunye, asithi nje ngishaye ini ngamabombu lana asithi hayi ukudweba isilwane kuyinkinga phela.
Ufuna ukudweba yena.
Hey mfethu sagcina nini ukudweba? Asithi ngawo
ukudweba igundwana sheshayo.
hayi asithi ngibe ngizama ukwenza ibhubesi singakunako okunye. Ngapha or asithi kade kuyikudu. Yabona?
Yini leyo?
Isilwane lezi ungabusanako kunye. Ngabusabuza kunye. Ngapha i-taxi.
Ngathi taxi.
Yabona bese ngapha sengenza enye ngizothi inje Ganda. Sisibo. Hey, but people will see ukuthi bengizama man. Hey. Yeah. Ayabonakala nje. Wanaki le alien ngilidwebile, but you get the idea. Yeah. So now uma ngabe mhlambe sisike sanqoba impi, it will be added lana mhlambe a helmet. Yabona i-helmet le of the armor. Or maybe let me just say angenze so. Athi ngenze so. I-crown. Uyayibona? To show ukuthi thina sini we are royal mhlambe la lo mndeni wethu singaba sebukhosini. Umqhele lo i-crown le. Ne? Bese la ngaphansi sengabhala ukuthi bara kube nani? A ribbon. A ribbon la. Ne? Yabona Gandhi? Yabo uthi sikuphi? Sasi coat of arms. Sisuka kuphi? Ku shield. Besine shield. Eshoyo ukuthi thina singobani kanjani. Lana kubhalwe ini? Isisho. Isathi esani somndeni wethu. Yabona nje into esisho ukuthi mhlambe awumandla amakhulu yabona na umqhele ngoba thina zini singaba sebukhosi and then ngapha seyilwane lezi as representer ini thina. That's why the Rothschild are represented by what, a crossbred lion. Ilion elenzeni elixutshwe nani ne dragon. It's not a true animal, because the Rothschild went and what and took over what you call the Soviet Union, yes, and with what, the Khazars, the Khazar, ne, so it's a cross breed. It's not a true lion. It's a cross breed. Ngakho nomsilo wakho mawubheka ngazathi una 3 what you call No.
Umsila.
Umsila lo na this thing. Ibhubesi lakhona uma ulibona linaba
Ney'nsephe.
ngathi insephe yes. Uyayibona? So yini le i-coat of arms? Ithi lento le i-represent ukuthi siqhamuka kaphi? Uyayizwa lento le? Asiqale lana ke sesiza kule yakho ke wena. Angithi it's just it's an innocent coat of arms le yakho. Sengizokudika
njengoba ngibheke i-coat of arms
ukhona ukupick upile. Noma i-load shedding. Nayi ke sesiza kule yakho iphi le?
Asingitshela ukuthi
Ithi nathi sizwa ukuthi awuzame ngibone.
ngoba niyayazi i-coat of arms e-South Africa.
Ngiyayazi mina wena.
Sengikhulumela
Wo the
abantu.
viewers yes.
Angithi
Hayi futhi noma
it
uyazi
is-
hamba uyibheka.
It is a symbol nyana ngathi it's a rise ilanga. Ngathi it's a rising sun. Isho ukuthi source of light. Ne? Bese kuba ngathi iba nenyoni kanje ngathi. It is security bird, protection of the nation. Then comes the Protea plant. It symbolizes the beauty of the land. We see even a task like elephant.
Yeah.
Both sides. It symbolizes wisdom and strength. Bese kuba nale moto le enobu green le.
Yeah, imoto le yeah.
But it means diverse people unite. Which language?
Isqam.
Isqam.
Yeah.
Khoisan.
Yes, Khoisan. Yeah, you can say Khoisan, but it's
yeah.
Isqam language.
Besiba nomkhonto nesakile. Bale nokire. It symbolizes defense and authority. Yet lying,
Yeah, lying face down to show the peace.
yeah, yes, lying face down to show peace.
Manje ngitshele ke is it in color?
Ufuna ukufunda amaphepha amangaki ngahlala kanjani ngazi.
Is it in color?
Is it in color?
In color.
Yeah, it's in color.
Okay. All right.
Then it shield shows identity and spiritual defense.
Okay.
Human figures. Angithi nabantu abayi-2.
Yeah, ngiyababona laba these ancient Khoi people from the caves.
Symbolize humanity and heritage. Then ears of the wheat, symbol of
Yeah, wheat ukolo.
fruitfulness and growth.
Nawe kumbuzo ganda iphi urepresent kuphi la wena?
Mina.
Angithi la ithi faithful is
Yeah, but into
Nokiri nayi, wheat nayi, human figures,
other than
sun.
okay, yiphi which tribe holds that shield? Yiphi? Siqale lapho. Yiphi which tribe yena le shield le ihawe nje? If this was our shield, bekumele ikhombise our shield. Just like the Kenyan one, African shield.
Isagila nina kuthi.
Okay.
Umkhonto.
Okay. Ngikuzame lapho. But then again, now umbuzo. I-shield le 1. I represent wena. Ne? 1. 2. Check carefully le protein yakho baba. Ngitshela ukuthi ayi
Okay, asihlale ku-shield kancane. It shows identity and spiritual defense, which we don't identify with the shield. Accession yethu.
ayisiyethu le shield le 1. 2. Asiye kule protein yakho. Your national plan.
Beauty of the land. Isho njalo. Uyikwenzakala ngokuthi
Awuyibona ipyramid lapha? Illuminati.
Ama-pyramid. Ngiyayibona.
And do you know what that bird signifies?
Ngiyayibona i-pyramid.
Ayibale sebekushaya is 26 ke manje.
Inombolo.
Inombolo ithi but yeah, but inombolo eyidizidla. Ungathi kwathu istatue sika Mandela sinonogwaja endlebeni. Inombolo ushayi mama
I think I once saw a video.
hey
Yes, Sentin Square.
sinonogwaja.
Okay. nayi ke
investigator nogwasha futhi.
Uthi usho ukuthini?
osho ukuthini all right
Hayi bazobeka
tell me then again ukuthi ungilingisa uyakhumbula mangithi last time mangizalana ngisuke ngajika eCampton Park ngithi le eWartham Wartham lapha kune statue sakhe ubambe freedom charter airport it's a sign saying hamba freedom charter all right this bird represents the Illuminati the secret societies. It's the bird and what? And inyoka. There's a snake, which is a symbol of the Freemasons, ne? Whereby le nyoka yenza isircle indingilizi kanje. Iyenzeni iluma ini umsila wayo. It's a sign to say what? They keep on destroying us, but we keep on re-emerging again elsewhere. Just like the bird. This bird represents what? The phoenix. Yes, the bird that what burns itself to ashes and then rise from the ashes. This rising sun is what? Is the 7 points of what? Of sin. Just like what? The Statue of Liberty in America. Just like the Statue of Liberty, it has 7 points. La, ekhanda lomqhele. It represents that. Subliminally. Why ilanga bangadubanga ilanga? Sibone imsebe yelanga ayithi kahle. Ilanga ngazathi lenziwe ngegold or ngegodo. No, it's to say that subliminally. As if that's not enough, asambe siye ku okay, angibuye ku Protea. Kangithi uyibonile ipyramid yakho la? Of the asibuye ku Protea. Why bakhethi Protea to be the national plant of South Africa? As we know, Australia is native la. It has never been found elsewhere in the world. Why? Protea is what is I believe a lot of species. Wow, we can say Guti they are whoopee in South Africa. They are different varieties because you have the snow Protea, you also have the red Protea, but it is also found in the tropical countries. It is also found in Australia. So if you were caring about creating an identity, why did you choose that thing? They were supposed to choose from the 50 Cent, the old 50 Cent, Stralita. Na iplant yethu leyo, okungaba iplant yethu, hayi le iProtea. iProtea they chose it because Protea was what? Was named by there's an explorer. What is his name? Yeah, Carl Linnaeus. Carl Linnaeus officially said the genus name in the 1700s. In the 1700s. This name Linnaeus saw that plant types in this group look very different from one another. So he used the god's name to show how much variety flowers have. There's an old god which they are worshipping who keeps on what? They believe he keeps on changing. You cannot see ukuthi ubani. Namhlanje uvela as this one, namhlanje uvela as this one. That's the name. His name was what? Was Proteus. What's his name? Yeah, Proteus. That's where the name comes from. Proteus. Okushutini, ikhantri lesithixo sabo le. They chose that one ngenhloso, intentionally. You don't have a country when. You don't have a country. Akho hawulana. Diverse people coming together. Let's apply the people does not mean one thing. And people are not human. Human and people is not the same thing. It's not the same thing. You go and apply etymology and do research, proper research. Humans and people are not the same thing.
What you mean? Explain on that.
Some of them, they are what? They are the descendants of the Nephilim. They do not have the proper consciousness. You get what I'm saying? The same reason why black Americans will call what? 3/5 of a man. Meaning 6% of you is what? Is a man. A man is what? Is who thinks. Meaning you have what? Consciousness. Then the 2/3, the 2/5, are what? Are flesh. People do not have that. People do not have that. And people stem from Gupi. Boy, Europe, Europe, Middle East. That's where people stem from. That's why if you go and check, even the what do you call these? Those who stay in my igloo. What are they called? Eskimos. That mount check. It's what it says. What human? They are men. They are human. They are men. What's the obsession with being called human? Tina, we are human. Abantu, butu. Batu. Yes, butu, batu. It's what? Human. It's because they are what? They are those who are not human. The same way when these white people came, abantu abadala called them what? Abelungu. Because they are what? They believe they come from the sea.
My man, let it become wrong.
I leave it wrong, but I leave in day one.
People are a mixture.
People are not humans, God. Abasiba abantu.
Thina sithi njengabantu bakaNkulunkulu kanje.
Thina singabantu
We
thina.
are humans.
Thina singabantu thina.
We are humans.
Ingakho ngeke even all the way straight all the way to abo Uganda, it's still what? Abantu. Abantu.
So laba abangama people inangizane laba ama foreign angel and stuff.
Yes, they are descendants of the fallen angels. Their genetic structure, genetic coding is dead.
Mawuthi Eskimo na yenza.
They are referred to as what? As humans.
Ba right.
Yeah. Remember, after the flood, the world was populated through these sons, Shem, Ham, and Japheth. Omunye uthatha Middle East, omunye uthatha the side of Egypt, and birth what? People. Sorry, humans. That's why the oldest Bible ikuphi? It's Ethiopia. Yeah. Because uJesu wanenwele ezinjani? Eyifana nezakho. Asuye umlungu uJesu. Asuye umlungu onamehla blue. That gene is recessive.
Manje mawuthi lethu abantu abadala bathi abelungu.
Yes.
Babuya phi?
They believe that they come from the sea because what is ublungu? Ublungu ile gwebe likhishwa ulwandle. Yabo ilwandle lokhu lithi nje le gwebe limhlophe lele liba la ulwandle lana engazathi limhlophe. That's what ublungu means. This thing has always been a war about what? Has always been a consciousness war. That's why when they had to what njalo mabapha abantu and every time when they took slaves bebenzani bebabagunda because when you have the capability of what getting consciousness and when mawuthamela ilanga you are free. Ingakho nje umfethu abantu bagqilaziwe wathola bashaya ingoma. Uyabazi ukuthi indlela abanze njani they pacify the lomzima ababhekane nabo during whether it's apartheid or it's segregation. You get what I'm saying? So the war has always been what? A conscious war. That's why umuntu abasheshe baqeda ngaye ukuthi yabona ke lo he's going to make a mistake asiqedeni ngaye was who? Bantu Steve Biko, the black consciousness leader. Because they wanted to make sure these people they must keep on thinking the war is carnal, so that they think they're gonna get what help from the Soviet Union because we created what Zambia as a safe space for them to be in exile. This war has always been what about consciousness rising above from this oppression. They want you to think yeah, you are oppressed. No, these people are bigger. It's smokes and mirrors. Mawuthi uyangena apha ebathroom uthi uyafika into engaka umuntu awu le nto engaka is coming from this one butt, cigarette butt. No, it's smoke and mirrors. They want you to think you are oppressed, you are wara. It's always the black government. Black people cannot take care of man, and that's something they do subliminally through what? Through artists like Zola Nabo Zahara. They keep on so that you are what? You accept good vele ANC failed. Because they have the right to destroy ANC. Because they built it. They have the right to destroy it. Uzola. Asikhulume ngoZola. Uzola mfethu sasimthanda, ne? He was good, yeah, there's no doubt about that. But now, awungitshele wena. Imalini eyakhe eyayimikisa abantwana university. Ebeyenza zonke lezi zinto lezi. Imalini yakhe. No, ayikho. Okay, let me not say ayikho in that sense, but it was what? Through what? Funding. So they fund you, they fund you. And then now you get to think, yeah, I'm doing something right, I'm big. And then they just like pull the plug. Why? Why? They built you. The same thing in Zahara. No one can tell me Zahara was not talented. There's no one who can say. Not good. No one can tell me. No one can say Zahara was not talented. But in the space of 4 years, Seganama Buma 16 summers, 2 from New York, who voted over in New York, Sega winner even Afrima. They build you to be bigger than what you are. So that when they pull the plug, remember, the bigger they get, the harder they fall.
It's like with the minds go Tyler, go Trevor.
At some point, I thought Nasty C is coming.
Yeah,
American.
Why? I let you wamenza njalo. Oh. Ay, okay, I see.
But what?
Oh. What is it you tell about Didi? Guys. I'm not saying he was staying in the same house, but he was always with P. Diddy. He was not under Jay-Z, not P. Diddy.
Why am I
Oh, Puffy. Kadlali.
But
the evidence is there. Go and check. You'll see. Angithi naku Justin Bieber siyamsukela. Akudlala la ngaphandle baba. Yeah, nayo uyasukela. Naye waphuthunyiswa esibhedlela kubhlungu. The same thing we celebrated when Meek Mill came out of jail and then we picked him up with a chop. I don't know if you guys saw that. Yeah, Kumbul. Yeah. No, but it was probably 2020.
Oh, makes sense.
There's also even a video of Diddy saying, I'm proud of you, Daddy. You're putting in the work. Ahle lapha ne swimming pool Meek Mill. Fethu, into esiphila kuyo is plastic le. Ayikho.
So manje ngona nako Tyler kusho ukuthi
ba initiative. Angithi ubonile all of a sudden he's now signed under Rockefeller. Uthethe useka sign no Jay-Z. It's just a way of saying so that people are laba bathanda indaba think ukuthi she now has better management. Maybe she'll be some kind of a Rihanna or something. So what?
But to be honest, I don't follow.
I never do not follow
celebrities, but hey, dog, I understand me hype engara like hey. Then look.
Yeah, got title.
When?
Not to tanda unang. Was ini lo? Was in?
Akana.
How good them fit.
Yamazi umuntu ocula baba. Shoot me ngangene.
Ngathi AI.
Ngathi
to the AI. Hey, what to the AI? There is no soul in his music.
But ngathi voice note.
Futhi yabona ku World Cup angidine ukugcina nginyanyile mina lapha.
Mina ngibheka ngabathe kusala.
Nithi hayi.
The Star Spangled Banner.
First game there.
It's because South Africa is that important. South Africa in the grand scheme of things is very important.
No.
Should South Africa fail, Baba, the whole of SADC, even Congo, all the way to Congo, is gone. They know that. That's why they want to make sure at all costs they're going to create celebrities. That's why in Zoe World Cup, Springbok and whatnot. Why? They want to make sure South Africa does not fall. South Africa is that important to them. So should South Africa fall, the whole matrix is done, Bob.
Kwamele kube na somebody ozoba ku international level.
Yeah, because buka mfethu Black of Trevor no. I'm not saying they're not talented, but it's too much, bro. The opportunities.
Ngiyamthanda no Black Coffee.
Nami ngiyamthanda but
no Trevor.
Yeah, no Shims amanje we are recruit. Oh, Boshim. Ushimza mfethu mina ngazi ngisho ingoma yakhe yodwa yazi lokho mina mfethu angani noma angingeni ku-internet mina ngiyazi ingoma kaShimza.
I feel like
Ngiyazi khona u-DJ Shimza but bangathi angitshela i-track eyi-1 kaShimza.
I think Breakoff mfethu like I'm starting to worry mina ukuthi hayi man vele
Ah, ngcono
vele ngu-DJ nje mfethu.
Oh, he's too much. Mangabuza ungalala ungabuye ekhaya ngoku-DJ futhi. Aqhubeka nje.
Ngesandla esisodwa.
Khuluma indaba zakho.
Sesiyamzwela nje. How much le number ishaya ezakhe? Zingakhi kule number ishaya ezingezakhe? Sibona ukuthi he's a hard worker kalala studio. Hayi, sike ayikho lento. Ayikho lento. This thing is they keep on creating celebrities. Now ntwana lena bathi he's now caught international attention with these AI classes. Uyibonile le ntwana le?
Oh yeah, ngibonile lo.
Breakoff uyakhulumeka kanyana because he's been doing it for many years.
Yeah, it must look.
Yebo uthelele umuntu ufunduka.
Awundodo. Chochoye. Ebe admin yo asigabani.
Ube admin?
Way admin omunye umfana.
Lo
Not admin man indaba abantu ababhekelana ama-geek man.
Ndoda bathi no breaking record angazi ubo number 1 angazi ku Billboard what for 100 weeks or something like that.
Ngayiphi ingoma mina ngazi mina lethi.
Yo Thando.
Oh kuseyiyo.
kusele what yakho?
Ngeke pheli. Awathe kanda phakathi aywater.
Yo 100 weeks. No, yazi mina ngithiswa yidog. Ilento yokucula kuDavid. Yazi khona abantu I can even name a few South African artists mfethu who angelic voice into esingakholwa ukuthi
abo ubani lengane
baningi dog not to
who's this na intombazane I believe ma 2023 washay like is it Soulful R&B or something ubani lengane
Shekine.
Not that one. Elaine. It was a good platform kusichaphaza lapho. Lona akamba ugqoka nje abuye ekhaya ayikho lento. Ayikho. Akamba ugqoka hey girl get dressed up buye ekhaya ayikho lento.
Isithweka into engekho.
Kunani?
You can't dance, you can't sing, you can't bro.
I wanna lie dog. Ngizamile nje uyi-understand indaba ngathi
Kodwa uma
mina
umzali
futhi ngishangani ke mina ngitshela nje bala ngeke ngimkhona.
yafana nami cha.
Hayi nami ngeke ngimkhona.
Nabangathwa nje nabantu abahlela imuphi kuThailand.
Hayi ngimkhona.
Mfethu abantu sevele bedu. Hey khuluma ucangile ukuthi ngempela uTrevor ngoba full ibook ukuthi kuhleka ukuthi kuhleka bani.
Ukuthi kuhleka bani? Akekho.
Shama Stadium 20 ubusy kabi.
Trevor, I think you know this way. Skin car.
Kuphi?
Nasengiyasho nje I think
hayi kuze man.
Izwa lento le abantu bekhuluma bathi afethu baningi abantu abacimbi bengahamba. Bayenza into ezotrend.
People who were funny.
Mina ngokubona kwami.
Who were funny? People who were funny.
Lento lekade yaqala kufana nangizona no. Akona angazi noma kugeji language indaba. Nalento lokutho bayazo David Kawu uthi uyahlekisa.
Manje David Kawu. Oh, yeah ngiyambona yana.
Into uthi legend. Ake nje akasiyo.
Uthi legend.
Mhlawumbe party mhlawumbe ngaba i-language barrier.
Sometimes yazi ngithatha kanjani. Nami for me David Kawu is not fun akaze ngihlekise nje nangeliwa. But gokunye ngivele ngithathe ngokuthi maybe they've created ama platforms nama production
yeah lapho ke nami
ngamnika I'm sorry abona mayibeka kanjani
even
ngenzeka vele
isolidika baningi
fana mashabe lo iTalk to ukuhlekisa
ubani
ay umuphi lo
iJoke kamashabe
Mashabe lo ubani lo lentwana le I think he also went to ku Trevor at some point lo kakhisa uthi bani kakhisa
isolidika
uye lo engimshoyo
not Eugene Khoza
Eugene Khoza
ohamba noShef Uzubona
No, kunentwana. Something or madiha or something kodwa nje lapho kunentwana na. Yeah. Yabona about David Kawu, you can give it to them in terms of ukuthi they can write.
Oh yes,
Yeah.
sure, loco, not.
Yeah, he can also write.
All right.
He can also write.
No, yeah, but mawusho ukuthi lento yokuthi create ama platform ya writer.
Yeah, he can write. Manje we can direct manje comedy show and what no.
Direct ama-movie.
Oh yes, labo abantu aba-offer ama platform manje.
Before, if you don't feel like I copy, but at least they did it. Pure Monati show. Akona taba kune beyenzo yibo.
Oh.
Pure Monati show. And I think they took it from
no kanda ngaphi maku kanjalo yabo nje kufana nami ingoma kuchana icon yodwa engiyaziyo kodwa manithi wenza ama platform wawo wa create wabhala uyabona
masithi uyacula siyazi ukuthi uyacula but nama ngiyazi
Ubani yena?
ukuchana
namanje
amara kusile happy
awunothi ungasho le nto ngalokho uthi happy wena ingoma ya 3 minutes was the happy
I gonna at some point I didn't feel him. I was like, he's
but
overhyped.
uma ukuthi mhlawumbe consider asenzile beside ukucula esingazazi band singavuma ukuthi abantu bengasho ukuthi
They were, isn't it that they were pushing hip hop in the community. They were pushing hip hop to the community, so they had to bring up. Yeah, from in where you going to have Murafe. But nevertheless,
I think that
no, but I think you can do a lot. James, we cannot judge based on. Must it done corner? Should it done corner when this is behind the scenes is related to music?
Oh,
Jabo, Bunny, if you want to producer, listen, the Mutuak. You're called
Lama brothers.
I think about behind the scenes.
Yeah.
For instance.
Yeah, okay, we can give it to the but
yeah, no, nama ngisho ukuthini ngithi mina angithi manje simaze i-artist but uma ukuthi kukhona okunye kwenza behind the scene sivele kusharp ke uthi uyaproduce wenza i-beat into ongayazi yeah
so nithi ku-music
okay uproducera abani ke futhi
akekho strong
wendoda ngeke uhlule
kumele ngabe sekuphelile
uzaro khipha ama-album amangakhi maybe 2 washona kodwa sazi i-album yonke kaloliwe
yeah
uphethu ezinye izinto
malikhumbule ukuthi futhi asiphanga ngokufana ngendlela yokuthi vele khona abantu abaphiwe ngendlela yokuthi le ugcobo lukaNkulunkulu should whatever uzoyenza izoba ne-impact umhlaba wonke
uyabona njengosikhumba nje bakuyikhaya FM
usikhumba yeah
bayasakaza kodwa uyabona akusinto esingabe sesiyikhuluma le uyabo naqhubeka nje
ngizomkhulumela
usikhumba uthini kuyi
iplug
mina ngibona ngathi
usikhumba
hayi ukuthi mame listen nokubona ngathi bamlethele for human like the ama radio phela like lento ukuthi manje kukhona into eserious kuphela radioini bafethu like uzoba serious kuphela isitudio
angithi futhi yabo njengoba sesiyayizwa
yeah but kodwa naye ugcineni
ngoba
bicacile vele ukuthi is there for comedy
yeah
uqale kanjalo
just nje ukwenza ukuthi kube lula lapha
yeah ngoba vele radio is dead
kanjalo
radio is dead yes
qhubeka njalo
yeah sibuye kuyo le motto yakho le icixara ige diverse people coming together all right diverse etymology of diverse comes from the late 14th century Middle English word diverse, which derives from Anglo-Norman and Old French diverse. Ultimately, it originates from the Latin diversus, which translates to turned different ways or diverse. All right. The prefix is dis and the verb is vetere, meaning to turn or to rotate. Etymologists trace vetere even further back to the ancient Proto-Indo-European root, which means the core meaning to bend or to turn. Or to bend or to turn hostile, unkind, and strange. That's the etymology of diverse. So Nigeria mawaniphatha kabi lana azenza amabhutshwa and what not. Hey. Cover. They are very within what the parameters of which they are set. It's been set for them. Why? Diverse. Etymology diverse. Itini hostile and unkind. The old one, old meaning. Yebo, you don't have a country when. You don't have a country. You don't have a country.
manje siyifana ngokuthi asina country.
Anoyo vele ngoba le country enikezwe yona le republic enikezwe yona I flag layo I coat of arms yayo iyakhombisa akuna hawe elishoyo ukuthi siyabona ukuthi ihawu osikhukhune ihawu losikhukhune lo mzilikazi lo shaka lo bani alikho
Nabantu bethu bengindawo obushaka losikhukhulu.
la lutho
Inyoni
nje mfethu so ayikho awuna country next wena nje into ezokusiza take this thing to the chop shop pick it apart and build it back make it equal for the brown and blacks thatha into ibiza scrapyard niyeke likhopha nikalise le constitution because anina country ujabulela ukuthi why still ubizwa ngeSouth Africa Republic of kuthiwe mhlambe ngingane kaNjomani ngithi kuthiwe unjabulo kaNjomani yayizwa ukushiya ubaba ngisengakabi indoda makunjalo ngisengakaqali
mina nawo uzube nezakho phela ingane
manje nani ke nizoba nazo nini ngoba namanje iflag land ithi coming together still you are coming together namanje so la nikahlangana after 32 years
hey unibona lapho ifreedom asayithola
yonzongo unayithola you got democratic republic of South Africa but the number one economy is the economy of South Africa not of the country
njalo abantu kumele beyibukele episode yabona uma bengayibuka kahle singa understand ukuthi even nana ama political party awakenzile lutho
angeke enze lutho alanda 600 manje umshode akagijimela lapha
kodwa mfethu kuze kuhlalwe kodwa into engaze kuhlalwe eParliament kanti bahlalela ukungenzi lutho
angithi reject the constitution and everything baba because they do not represent you
should mabehlela benze ngathi bayaxabana
benza ngathi bayaxabana ayikho lento omalema bathi mabaxosha ku ANC babonga ukuthi siyalamba manje sizokwenzani baqala wathi what was it AFF was supposed to be yini konje lento le NGO
Malumphika umuntu
kodwa yabona uzubona ukuthi some animals are not equal some
animals are not equal
yabona mfethu umalema kufuze ngabusejele phela life ukuthi ugwetshiwe but ayinakayo
istanti benza ngathi khona into abayenzayo so that una ubona ukuthi ba busy ngoba the whole point is what they are what a government they govern inqondo hayi the country or the people meant inqondo yakho na ubona ukuthi you are represented kuphi
base begqoka ama overall ukuthi ufile ngathi
sinenkinga yomsebenzi ngabe kuqhashwa amaphoyisa okubuye that thing yama reserve yabona so that ku control crime kulungiswa ama border no baphasisa amasenimi indoda ayithatha isibongo somfazi they are fixing what's not broken so that is busy ulungisa into engaphukanga ubuzwe ngibani ubani benendaba no we must care about the women who the previously disadvantaged umfazi ahamba oba laphana phezulu so that sizoxabana nani nalabafazi kube ngazathi thina we are sexist we are misogynist we are into engekho abamama babuye emakhaya and let's to prove ukuthi lento ayikho buka wena Ganda nawe Chris checka indaba yani yama for instance njengabo luck duck yes abo luck lapha especially abafana the boys ne Kakhulu vele abafana, it's the boys. Ingane zobani lezi kade ithathwa laphana. Ezamanesi, ezothisha, ezobani bani. Umunye abanye amasotsha abafazi bakhona. To prove ukuthi ukuraise umfana isiphi up and flakes baba. Engazathi kungaba ne-father figure azoyihlonipha empilweni. Because wena uhluza emsebenzini, you are a feminist angithi wena.
And umenzela konke.
Umenzela konke and ile intwana lezi ubone ngathi uthi phela sisefutheni lezi. It's what? Chaos for the future, so that you know ukuthi iyaphela le generation. We must promote the women to be in my top position.
And ama-organization athuzama ukuzosiza wenza sure ukuthi waphilisa kanzima ugovernment awakhona ukuthi asize. Because the aim ukuthi kungasizakala.
Now, I think most of these organizations zinkinga now. My NGO now. That's a problem.
Yeah, I'm NGO now a problem. Because even if you can go and check history, you will find good every country makes a problem. The government mayifuna ukuthatha control of the country. They always ban NGOs because they have the right. They have the what's the word? They don't have to disclose their financial. They have no obligation, so they're always funded by US.
Now, lumtana waseNigeria ubuyile.
Hey, chidi.
Uye court ufuna ukuzohlala la manje. Beke fika lebi kade hayi uyayithatha iNigeria ngaphela. Ngeke aphinde kuye eSouth Africa. Sekuyohamba ama court manje. And in case I suspect ubhekwa ama NGO. All in South Africa futhi. Because now they use them as a tool to cause distraction.
Yes, to cause distraction. You remember Hegel's dialect is what thesis versus antithesis is equal to synthesis. And it must always what be two. It must be two because number two represents what numerology? Conflict. So if you get two people baxabana, the result of logo, you're gonna think is the truth. The same reason why the good debate is gonna be two people. It's always gonna be a DA and ANC. Uma ngabe they are being overpowered, come MK bangakanaki. No, they benza GNU. Mase ngeke MK they are sebalwa bo two because the whole point kumele balwe bo two. So wathi ama football teams azohleza awu two. Ngeke aphinda bekhona amanye futhi. S3 Mamelodi, seMamelodi. It's two.
No, mina wina ama-cafe engakho.
Oh.
They will never be big.
Okay, it's another story for another day. Usho? No, mina I don't watch soccer. Ibhola ngayiyeka kudala mina ubaba ngathi mangifika ekhaya.
Asiva then sizobona ama-spoon.
Konje sibuya nini?
Next week, Wednesday.
Oh, you are not available on Saturday?
Yeah, it's Saturday. I think it's Sikanjani?
Yeah,
but it's also as confirming in Friday.
It's fine. Mina I'm around, guys.
As confirming.
Mina I'm around, guys. I'm around. I have isikhwama sami emotweni ngizolala la eGauteng. I'm making runs for this Operation Exodus. Operation Exodus. The prayer warriors. The children of God keep on fasting and praying by faith. We are taking this thing down. We must pray for operation to shut this thing down. The kids because they keep on capazing you, whereas there are people abana boma 10 years in faith abakazi bawuthola umsebenzi. Unalapha eRest ikhabethe linama noodles. Akuna plan mfethu. Ingane isuke emakhaya ziyaqwayiza la. Zidayisa ngomzimba. Ama-Nigeria join wathwathe emasentini ayikho lento. Let's take this thing to the chop shop. Angibuyele endlini ngizobe ngilalela emotweni yami ine-heater mos ngiyapha endlini so that people understand. For nalaba fethu mfethu sikhule nabantu thina Chris sikhule nabantu mfethu namhlanje sesibabiza ngonyawuphe abafethu laba balala phansi ama-bridge. We know ukuthi who created the heroin. We know who created the drugs. It's the drug companies. They are doing the same thing they did in the project in the US. Because Bayer, which is making pills for you, namhlanje, is the one who created heroin. They are creating that chaos so that there's no future. Why? So that South Africa stays under their control. Because there will come kids who will ask, can't this felani? Because abanandaba noMandela. Abanamsebenzi. Because Mandela nice nokuthi amthanda siyamzwela. But he was in jail for 27 years. But ingane zakho zinzi bahamba bafundiswa zini bafundiswa yi-apartheid. Kwenziwa thini iphukuphuku? Out.